Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robyn Zimmerman, your host. We have a new show for you today with some great guests. We're at the WHHI television studios on Hilton Head Island, but we have a new business to talk about right now in Hardeeville. It is called New River Veterinary Specialists, and co-owner and medical director is Dr. Kristin Welch. It's our guest, our first guest. Good to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Now, the business, your veterinary services specialist is opening in June.
Correct.
And so you're in the throes of getting everything ready. Did you build a building, or are you renting, or
it's
tell us
a
about
new construction facility in New River Center at the corner of New River Parkway and Argent Boulevard, right near USC Beaufort campus.
All right, so tell us, and is it a emergency also hospital? So you have a whole range of services. So share with the viewers a little bit about what you're offering.
Absolutely. So it's a 24-hour emergency and specialty hospital. So providing services that the family practice veterinarians can't provide. So our emergency service operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and is staffed by experienced emergency doctors and led by 2 board-certified critical care specialists. And then our specialty services include internal medicine, orthopedic and soft tissue surgery, neurology and neurosurgery, rehabilitation, sports medicine, and anesthesiology.
So I would think in Hardeeville, this is needed.
It is.
Where's the closest emergency hospital for animals?
The closest similar facility is
Yes.
located in Charleston.
That's what I thought.
So for the last, decade plus,
Right.
owners in this area have had to make that 1.5 to 2.5 hour commute to Charleston, and sometimes it's during a terrible emergency. So middle of the night, with a patient that's really unstable, and we're really thankful that we're able to be here now as a resource.
Right. So again, this is very exciting because there's so many pets in this area. Well, everywhere, but particularly in this area. I was telling you, we have a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, and we thought about if something had, because I know they have heart conditions,
Yes.
and if we had an emergency, we'd have to go to Charleston. Yeah. So this is great that you're in Hardeeville. And where exactly are you going to be located?
We're located at 600 Argent Boulevard.
All right. So again, let's talk about the specialists that you have. It looks like you have a whole array of veterinarians that are very specialized. How did you gather this team?
Well, what's
Kristin?
amazing is I've been in this area for the last decade practicing in Charleston, and what I found was that so many of our clients needed to come from this area, and to try to cut down on the commute and better serve the Savannah metro area and all of Beaufort, Bluffton, and Hilton Head, we put together a team of specialists that can really rival some of the university hospitals in terms of the capabilities at our hospital. We have long-term mechanical ventilation, an in-house blood bank, an underwater treadmill with a full sports medicine and rehab center, CT, MRI, anesthesiology department, and 24-hour a day, 7-day a week advanced imaging.
So you said you've been in veterinary medicine in this area for a long time.
Yes.
And so what gave you this vision and this motivation to be a co-owner of something so exciting?
Well, it's such a wonderful feeling to be able to serve the community. It's my favorite part, is being a resource to the local veterinarians and to the pet parents. And it's really terrible as a specialist in emergency and critical care to see so many clients under such duress, traveling in these emergencies with their family members. These aren't their pets. They are another member of the family. Right. And so we wanted to really be able to provide that level of care that was needed in this area for so long, to make sure that the pets in the region really truly are cared for, and the veterinarians here are supported. So many of the general practice vets are working 7 days a week and on call overnight to support their clients, because we all care so much. But now to have a resource that can help offload some of that extra work for them is going to be wonderful.
I would think that would be a fabulous field, veterinary medicine.
It is.
I would think it would be wonderful to really serve the community and serve people's most beloved.
Yeah, we feel so blessed to be able to do this.
Yes.
This is something that many of us grew up wanting to do from little
Was it
little age.
Was that you? Did you want to be a
was.
veterinarian?
Yeah.
Very, very sweet. Again, this is called the New River Veterinary Specialists, and they are located on 600 Argent Boulevard in Hardeeville. So I would say from, let's say, here at our studios to there, maybe 30 minutes?
Yeah, about
max?
35.
Yeah, perfect. All right.
Wonderful.
Good to have you with us.
Thank
Dr.
you so
Kristin
much.
Welch, and thank you for joining us, and we'll be right back with Talk of the Town. Stay with us, everyone.